welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone on Quora. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like home, following, answers, spaces and notifications. Well, at home, on the top right corner, you can find search bar. There you can look for the people that you want to mute, or simply you can mute the persons from your screen. Just go ahead, go to the profile that you want to mute off. Now tap on the three-dot menu, then select mute option from the menu appearing from bottom of the screen, then tap on confirm. And guys, that's it. That's how you mute someone on Quora. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.